What's up, everybody? It's me, Miss T, and thanks for checking out the SK TV. Tonight we're in for another finger licking treat. So without further ado, let's get into this menu. Okay, so boom. We have so much going on. We have lots of crab legs. An abundance, if you will, of crab legs. We also have some air fryer corn. Oh, we're definitely going to enjoy that. We are definitely going to enjoy those. We have an egg. We can only just hope it works out at this point because the stacks are messy. They're all over the place with these eggs. At any rate, we also lastly have shrimp on the menu with a side of our delicious nostalgia sauce. So with that being said, let's not wait. Let's not hesitate. Let's get cracking, okay? Okay. Whew. First and foremost, hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Oh my goodness, look at that corn. You may not know this, but I haven't had corn in a long time. Oh wow. But as you can see, today is the day we are getting reacquainted. My gosh, that was so good. So I hope you are doing well. Please excuse my dryer if you can hear it. We have to multitask, okay? It's necessary in here. A lot of people. These little shrimp, they're little, but they're going to get the job done. I guess everybody had the same idea because the ones I usually get were nowhere to be found. At this juncture, oh my gosh, I have to take another bite. I will fuss with this one later. Now, the kiddos, if they're not out of school where you are yet, they all will be soon. In which case, at this point, ooh, time is flying by. It feels like they started school like last week. But thankfully, everybody made it back in and almost out of school unscathed. So yay! Yay, yay, yay. Oh my goodness, look at that shrimp. The sauce is banging as always. Lately, I have started using the spicy version that I made, but today I'm going to kick it old school. Go with the straight up throwback sauce. the extra awesomeness on it. We have to get it done that way today. It just had to be done. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is about to be everywhere. Well, anywho. I've been trying to map out our summer with activities and things, because I was just talking to somebody and I said, you do realize the number of summers we have left, they're winding down, you know, with teens. And while, yes, I do think I'm awesome, and they're all going to run back home every break and every chance they get. Once they're in college, fact of the matter is, I've been to, and I didn't do that. So I want to be reasonable and realistic with myself as far as those expectations go. Love for them to be like, you know, I've spent every break at home. But then at the same time, you kind of want them to explore and, you know, have an adventure while they're in college. So and trying to bear the teens in mind, it's kind of rough, because some things just aren't baby friendly. Oh, did I get you? I hope not. These are juicy. It came out so juicy. Oh. So, please feel free to leave down in the comments any ideas for memorable things to do with the older kids so they can have fun. Because I literally am like, this time has popped up seemingly so fast for me. Like, how? Like, how do we have so little time? They grow up fast. I mean, I heard that, but now it's like real life for me. So good. So I'll be thinking of things fun to do also throughout the next school year as well, and the school year after that, and however many we have left. Because at this point, especially our traditional stuff, like the pumpkin patches and stuff like that, we will be going to pick some strawberries and blueberries. That is going to be amazing. I definitely want to make it to the aquarium this year. That is so good. It's like the meat is so sweet. So the aquarium is on the list. The zoo is on the list. Where else? Aquarium, the zoo, and the beach. The aquarium, the zoo, and the beach, they're all on the list so far. But other than that, in our berry picking, I Really got to do some brainstorming. So, at any rate, feel free to let me know what you guys are getting into, because I'm trying to, also make up for, lost time. You know what I mean? So, at any rate, in addition to that, I was thinking about, this always happens, I was thinking about bangs again. Managed not to do it the last time, but this time I came very close. I was like, well, saw a couple old photos. I'm like, but I had bangs then. They were really cute. Slowly talking myself into getting banged. And I almost did it until I ran into that one photo where you could tell, based on how my hair was done up, I was trying to pin those bad boys down, and it was tragic. It was tragic. I was like, oh, no. We can't chance it. We can't chance it. So good. The egg. I was so excited about the corn, I forgot about the egg. Okay, just in case you're new here and haven't seen this TikTok, it's a TikTok hack. So this is a TikTok hack. You take a pinch off the top of the egg, a pinch off the bottom, and allegedly it will come out whole, in one whole piece. So here goes nothing. Did it work? Well, wait. That is most, not all, but that is most. I am not mad at that. You guys, look at that. Look how fast that slid off. I'm going to give it to us for that one. Oh, yeah, work. And you know what? I had a good feeling about this egg. And I will tell you why. When I made more than one. And when I went to retrieve them, the first one was so incorruptible. I was like, clank, clank, clink, clink, clank. It was like, no. And I slowly scooped this baby up and I said, I got a good feeling about you. And look at that. Oh my gosh. Ooh-wee. No. Can you see the steam still coming off of that baby? Oh my gosh. Perfect. That is a perfectly cooked, soft boiled egg. Medium boiled. I wouldn't mind it being a little bit soft there, The soft ones, I have been just running through them. Top speed. Top speed. So good. Oh, I was hoping we could get a whole bowl. It didn't work out. It's okay. It's still gonna be good. So yes, I am very excited about this summer, but I do like to have like a full schedule. Like maybe not down to the minute. I'm not one of those moms. But I definitely like to go, okay, well, the first week we'll do this, and the next weekend we'll hang out, and then the weekend after that we'll go and do this. Like, I like to kind of have an idea of what things are going to look like for the summer before it gets started. I seriously miss corn. Oh, my egg fell. Don't run. Don't run away. And the corn and the salt on the sauce topped off with that delicious egg. I cannot. These keep coming off on their little string thingy. Next batch. I'll stay attached to the string. Okay, again. I guess it's better to see it. Come on out. Anyway, let me know what you are getting into this summer. One thing I definitely want to do is relax. It is so busy around here during the school year. Oh my gosh. Everybody just has so much going on. And next school year will be a transitional year for us, or for some of us. So, we just have to adjust as always. You know how it is. You make adjustments where you need to. All you can do is plan as best you can. So that's what we're doing. There will be a lot of moving and shaking. I'm fine with the moving and the shaking, because it's progress. Nobody's standing still, you know? No one is standing still. Oh, I have a little piece of our egg. I told you it was juicy. You got duck, okay? bad boy just came fresh out of the ocean. What do they call that? Seed to table? Instead of farm to table, it is seed to table, okay? Oh, okay. Oh, there's a little pinch left. Come on now, we see you. We see you. Okay. That's all we have tonight. Here is our last bite. Here's to you. Wow. Woo. That was absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh. I am literally full as a tick at this point. Oh my goodness. That was amazing. Everything across the board, from the sauce to the shrimp, the crab, to the corn, even our very cooperative egg. Hey! Oh my gosh, I already see a spot on the camera. I'm coming to get it. It was delicious. It was juicy. And I thoroughly enjoyed it. But not as much as I enjoyed your company. Thanks so much for checking out the Answer Key TV. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment beneath this video. I would love to hear from you. Hit the notification bell as well, wherever it may be, so you know the next time a new video uploads. And as always, in the meantime, in between time, you take good care of yourself. And I'll see you right back here at the Answer Key TV. Thanks for watching.